Good evening, everyone. My name is Lebesi Mokoza. Today we are going to talk about Android application directories. The directories that we are going to talk about are src, gen, bin, res directory, and values directory, and Android manifest. And before we go any further, let's explain what those directories are used for. src. This contains the .java source files for your project. It contains main activity.java source file that runs when your app is launched using app icon. Here's the main activity.java file. This file is the one that we are talking about. And also the gen directory. The gen directory contains the r.java file, a compiler-generated file that references all the resources found in your project. You should not modify this file. The bin directory. The bin directory is the one that contains the APK file. This file is the one that is installed in a test device during compilation, and it is produced by ADT during build process and everything else needed to run an Android. And res directory. This res directory contains a drawable folder. In our project, this drawable folder contains the images that we drew. As you will remember, we were been talking about the images, and here they are: back, body, chin, ears. These are the names of the images that are contained in our drawable directory, and we were using the get resource to return their IDs so that we assign them to the back resource ID. And as you can see that here is the name of the folder that we are talking about, the drawable folder, where we references the name of the image that we want to return its ID. So the rest folder, this is a directory for drawable objects. And the layout folder, this layout contains activity.main. The activity main XML file is the one that contains the layout of our project. The rest.values, this directory is the one. This directory values contains the dimensions, strings, and style of our app. And the Android manifest. This Android manifest is the one. This is the manifest file which describes the fundamental characteristics of the app and defines each of its components. As you can see, Android.manifest is the one that calls our activities. In this case, main activity is called first, and after that, when you press the button inside this title, this is the title view.java, which throws the title of our game, and it has got the buttons. Here are the main action down buttons which assign the play button pressed to true. If this variable becomes true, our button is being pressed, and in the action up method, the game intent is the one that gets that action. So the game activity.class is the one that is called, and it is going to be launched by the Android manifest. Therefore, the game.activity is the one that is called when the button is pressed. When the button is pressed, game activity class is called, and this is helped by the Android manifest. So as you can see, the main activity is followed by the game activity, which is called when the button is pressed. So in this game method, this class is the one that is going to be called by the game activity. As you can see, game activity, when it is called, is the one where we initialized the variable called game view, which is of type the variable called gview, which is of type game view, so that this game view class is called and instantiated. Thank you for listening, and remember to subscribe and click like if you like this video. Thank you.